Hey everybody, come on in. It's dinner time. It's Friday night, y'all, and we're gonna do it gourmet uh, smorgasbord style. We got all of our fixings over here, as you can see: sliced tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, pickles, and hot peppers, and onions, and sauces, and sourdough bread. And we got some Asiago bread, cheese, salad fixings, fruit, and of course, y'all see those large croissant rolls. And of course, Tanya's favorite thing in the world, I believe, is onion and some banana chips on the back over there. So let's get back over here to the stove. You know I got something on the stove. Over here, I'm sauteing some mushrooms and onions. We're going to make some chicken croissants with mushrooms and onions, and I don't know what we might end up putting on them. Right here, I stopped by Sam's Club, of course, my favorite place in the world, to get the baked chicken, the rotisserie chicken. I've already cut up half of it and got it in the oven, heating, because we're going to use that for our sandwiches. I'll probably end up cutting the rest of it later, but I wanted to get that going. And of course, I made some chicken potato soup yesterday. Got some heating up on the back burner back there for whoever wants it. I think Tanya will probably be eating soup solo. But anyway, that's what we're going to be doing tonight. So we're doing a light dinner tonight. Just wanted to chime in and let y'all see what was going on. I'll come back and let you see how we put these sandwiches together just as soon as all the fixings are ready. So y'all hanging there with us. Hope y'all having a God bless Friday night and that your day has been a good one. If you had to work today, hope you had an easy work day. And if you're on your way to work, have a blessed night tonight working. And if not, if you didn't have to work at all like me, hope you enjoyed your day anyway. So anyway, we're going to keep this dinner rolling. We'll be right back in a minute and start putting these sandwiches together for you. All right, everybody, we're ready to put these chicken and mushroom croissants together. So what I'm going to start out with, just a tad of mayo on each side. And they're going to go in the pan to be toasted in a pan. You know, croissants are just ever so wonderful. And what we're going to do here is we're going to start out with some meat there. You know, this is we're going to load it up with we got breast meat and of course thigh meat. Just going to load it up real good with your meat. Then we're going to put some shrooms on there. Put the shrooms on there. I've got the lettuce, you know, tomatoes and lettuce. You'll put that on after it comes out of the pan, okay? This is just going to be ever so tasty, okay? Now, oh, I've got some Swiss cheese here somewhere, y'all. Oh, there it is right there. So, let's see. I got so much going on this countertop. I'm so excited because I love a good sandwich, y'all. I love a good sandwich. Okay. Let's put us a little piece of cheese on there. And when we put it in the pan, obviously that's what's going to get it melted. I'm going to tear that cheese in half because I need to lay it across like that. And then I need to put the top on that croissant. That one's ready to go in the pan. So you see how nice and thick that is. So that's what I'm going to do for each one, and as I take them out of the pan I will let you see. Okay, I don't know what went wrong there, but anyway, we're making this next sandwich on sourdough bread. Put a little bit of mayo on the bread, put some cheese on there, some sharp cheddar, that's what Tanya wants on hers, and then mushrooms and onions. And then the next thing going on will be some chicken. A little white meat, a little dark meat. And put it just like so. Don't get too much going on there because we don't want it to be a problem when we put it in the skillet. Okay. So now we got all the fixings on there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit it with a little bit more cheese so the cheese will be on both sides. Okay. Like so. Like so. Okay. And then she'll put her other condiments on when she gets it to the table. So let's turn it that way. Okay. to mash that. So now I got these three ready to go into the pan. Because Karan is here and he's going to eat. Karan wanted his on croissants. And we're using real butter tonight, y'all. Okay, we get ready to heat this butter and get these sandwiches going. And remember now, you cannot have the heat up high when you're dealing with butter to start with. So, you know, heat your pan up and then take it and rinse it with some warm water. And that'll keep it sort of warm. And then turn it back on medium low. And let it heat back up, and then you put your butter in there. And your butter won't burn on you because you don't want your bread all burned up. Okay. Let's go. Start out with a good tablespoon of butter in there. A couple of tablespoons. Like I said, this is butter, y'all. This is real butter. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to let that butter go ahead and melt out real good before I put it in there. Okay, the sandwiches are in the pan and they are cooking. Probably have to cook them on each side about 2 or 3 minutes. Let that cheese melt so they'll heat all the way through. But they're doing nicely, so we got about another couple minutes before we flip them. Okay, first flip. See how nice and brown they are? The the sourdough bread, nice and crusty and brown. Yummy. That's gonna be really good. Look, that's why you know what? I didn't even post my stuff that I took on the label. They were playing on the scooter. But yeah, as long as you don't turn the camera on the actual game, and as long as you don't pick up them YouTube, it's great. With 17 points in the Tigers. Or you can say I don't own rights. Yeah, we don't own. I don't own them. Y'all know I don't own the rights. No Duke and what's this Fashion 5, 4, 5? This is North Carolina and Carolina and Auburn. Okay, playing what? March Madness, y'all. She gonna pour out. Okay, y'all, this Friday night meal is finished. Go in the kitchen and make you one of these nice hot sandwiches. Now, it's not going to take about 15 minutes to do it. Listen, y'all, keep those prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down until I cook again. Toodaloo.